Welcome back to Family Money Club. We're all about building a community of money-smart families. Help everybody stack that paper.
Secure the bag. Secure the bag.
That's right.
Today we're diving into a topic that's, I don't know. It's got everyone talking.
It's got everybody buzzing, man. It's crazy out there.
It's a little bit crazy, so we're going to try and separate truth from hype, right?
Straight up, no chaser. We got to break it down.
All right, so you feel me?
Memecoins.
Memecoins.
Then shitcoins.
Shitcoins, baby. The Wild West of crypto.
I was like the Wild West out there.
You see all those stories about Dogecoin millionaires?
Yeah, Dogecoin millionaires.
It's tempting, right? Think you can just throw a couple bucks at some random meme and become the next crypto king?
It's tempting, but is it real?
That's what we're here to find out.
Family Money Club. Let's break this down.
Meme coins. Imagine, like, your favorite meme, right? But it's got its own money, its own currency. That's the basic idea, you know? They use the power of social media, all that online hype to blow up.
Okay, so think Dogecoin. That's like the OG meme coin, right? Dogecoin.
Yeah, the one with the Shiba Inu dog, that's a perfect example. Started as a joke, but it, took over the internet. Reached a market cap in the billions, no joke.
Billions. Damn, that's some serious cash.
No doubt, no doubt.
So what's the big draw? What makes people want to jump on this meme coin train?
People want to get rich quick, simple as that. You see these stories, people becoming millionaires overnight with meme coins. And you get that FOMO, the fear of missing out.
Yeah, but you hear the other side too, right? People losing their shirts, chasing that meme coin dream.
Truth. You gotta remember, volatility is the name of the game. These coins, they're like a roller coaster, going up 50%, down 50% in a day.
So meme coins are like based on memes, right? Does that make them like a simpler version of regular cryptocurrency? Easier to understand?
Nah, don't be fooled by the funny pictures. Meme coins still use that same complex blockchain technology.
All right, blockchain. For those of us who need a reminder.
Think of it like a giant digital notebook, right? Keeps track of every single transaction. Everyone can see it, it's transparent, and it's supposed to be super secure because it's not controlled by one person or one bank.
But that doesn't automatically make the meme coins themselves safe, does it?
Nah, not necessarily. A lot of these meme coins, they don't really do anything. They're all hype, no substance. And some, they don't even have good developers behind them, which makes them easy targets for scams.
Okay, so let's talk about those scams. You hear about these pump and dump schemes. What's that all about?
Imagine a group of people, right? They get together and decide to pump up the price of a coin. They buy a ton of it, spread the word on social media, create all this hype. Then, when the price is high, they dump all their coins, leaving everyone else holding the bag.
Sounds kind of like a rigged game.
It is! And then you got these shitcoins, which are basically meme coins on steroids. Flashy websites, crazy promises, but no real purpose, no tech behind them. Just a way to trick people out of their money.
So for someone just getting into this, how do you spot a scam? Any red flags to watch out for?
Absolutely. First thing, check out the developers. If they're anonymous, hiding behind fake names, that's a big ol' red flag. Transparency is key in this game.
What about the white paper?
You mean that document that explains what the coin is all about? Yeah, if it's full of buzzwords and promises of making you rich overnight, but it's light on technical details, that's another warning sign.
So say someone's interested in meme coins, but wants to play it safe. What's the smart way to get involved?
Rule number 1, only invest what you can afford to lose. Treat it like fun money, not your life savings. And don't get caught up in the hype. Emotions will mess you up in this market.
Yeah, you got to think with your head, not your heart.
Exactly. Do your research. Don't just follow the crowd or what some influencer's telling you. Look into the team, the technology, the community behind the coin, the trading volume. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make.
All right, now I got to ask. Buying these meme coins, it's not as easy as buying stocks, right? You need to use something called a decentralized exchange. What the heck is that?
It's a marketplace, right? But for cryptocurrency, and there's no middleman, no bank. You're trading directly with other people, less rules, which can be good, but also more risk.
Sounds a little like the Wild West out there.
Yeah. These exchanges, they sound kind of like a whole other world. Where do you even start with these things?
First things first, you got to find the right exchange for you. You know what I'm saying? Some of the popular ones out there, you got Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap.
SushiSwap, huh?
Yeah, they all got their own little quirks, so you got to do your homework, man. Look at the fees, what coins they got, how secure they are.
Okay, so you picked your exchange, then what? I guess you need some digital cash to play with, right?
You got that right. You need to buy some cryptocurrency so you can trade it for those meme coins you're after.
Okay, makes sense.
Now, most of these decentralized exchanges, they run on specific blockchains. You got Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. Gotta make sure your crypto matches up,
Right, so if the exchange uses Ethereum, I gotta buy Ethereum first.
You gotta.
Then how do I actually buy the meme coin? You gotta connect your digital wallet to the exchange.
Digital wallet? Okay, hold up. Explain that one.
It's like your bank account, but for crypto. There's a bunch of different wallets out there, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Ledger.
MetaMask, Ledger, are all wallets created equal?
Good question. You got your software wallets. Those are apps on your phone or computer. Then you got your hardware wallets. Those are like little gadgets you plug in.
Which one's better?
The hardware wallets, they're like Fort Knox for your crypto. More secure because they ain't connected to the internet all the time.
So if you're really worried about security, go hardware.
Yeah, definitely. But even with software wallets, you can make them safer, you know? Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and watch out for those phishing scams.
That's right. Don't click on any suspicious links. Always double-check the website address.
Word. And it all comes back to doing your research. The exchange, the wallet, the meme coin itself.
Like we were talking about before, right? Gotta know what you're getting into.
Knowledge is power, baby!
So we got our exchange, we got our wallet, we did our homework. What's the biggest mistake people make with these meme coins?
You ready for this? The number one mistake is letting their emotions run wild.
What do you mean?
FOMO, greed, panic, all that stuff will cloud your judgment.
Oh, I've seen that. People getting caught up in the hype, throwing all their money in based on nothing but a gut feeling.
That's a recipe for disaster. You gotta approach this strategically, not emotionally.
So how do you stay cool, calm, and collected in this wild world of meme coins?
First off, set some goals why you invested in this coin. Short-term gains, long-term potential. Then figure out your profit targets and your loss limit.
Know when to walk away, right?
Exactly. Don't be afraid to take your profits, and don't be afraid to cut your losses either. Gotta have a plan, man.
It's like having a roadmap in a jungle keeps you from getting lost.
Word.
So let's talk about some real-world examples. We know Dogecoin, but what about some other meme coins that have made some noise?
There's a whole zoo out there. You got Shiba Inu, the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer.
Yeah, what happened with Ellen? Blew up.
Blew up big time. Back in 21, social media went crazy. Elon Musk was tweeting about it.
Wasn't that the one with those crazy price swings?
Yeah, that was Shiba Inu. Up, down, all over the place. It's still around, but it just shows you how wild this meme coin mania can get.
So even if a coin gets popular, there's no guarantee it'll stay stable or be successful in the long run.
Nope, no guarantees in this game. High risk, high reward. Then he had that Squid Game coin. Remember that one? Based on the Netflix show.
Vaguely.
It went through the roof, then crashed and burned in a classic rug pull.
Cool, what's that? Sounds painful.
Imagine you're standing on a rug, feeling all comfy, then bam, someone yanks it out from under you.
Ouch.
That's a rug pull. Developers take the money and run, leaving everyone else with worthless coin.
Do your research, man. Really vet these projects before you jump in.
Don't get fooled by fancy websites and big promises. Dig deep. Look at the team, the tech, the community. If something feels off, trust your gut.
These stories, man, they really show you how easy it is to get burned in this meme coin world.
It's a wild ride for sure, but it's also brought a lot of attention to cryptocurrency. Got people talking about it who never would have before.
Yeah, that kind of made crypto more mainstream, more relatable.
Right. They broke down some barriers, but there's a flip side to that, you know?
You mean more people getting involved without really understanding the risks?
That's what I'm talking about. That's why education is so important in this space.
So how do we balance the good, like awareness of crypto, with the bad, the potential for people to get scammed?
We gotta encourage people to go beyond the memes, look under the hood, ask the tough questions.
Think of it like any other investment, not just a game or a gamble.
You got it. Research, understand the risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose.
Solid advice. We've covered a lot, but I think there's still more to explore in this meme coin world. What about the future? What's next for these coins?
That's the million-dollar question. Predicting the future of meme coins. That's like trying to predict the weather in a hurricane.
All right, but you gotta have some thoughts. Meme coins, they're here to stay, or they're just a fad?
I think the tech behind them, blockchain, that's definitely here to stay. It's already changing the game in finance, and it's only gonna get bigger.
So even if certain meme coins disappear, the technology will keep evolving.
Absolutely. We're still in the early days of this whole crypto thing, and meme coins, they've played a part in bringing more people into the mix.
But what about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, all these coins we're talking about? Will they still be around in 10 years?
That's tough to say. Some of them, they might actually become legit, you know? Develop real uses, get integrated into the financial system.
So they could go from joke to serious business.
It's possible, but I also think a lot of them are going to fade away. Novelty wears off, market gets more sophisticated. Approach meme coins with a healthy dose of skepticism. Understand the risks. Don't get swept up in the hype, do your research, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Sounds like the same rules apply as with any other investment.
You got it. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or meme coins, the fundamentals are the same. Know what you're invested in, assess the risks, make smart decisions.
All right, that's some solid advice right there.
Hopefully y'all listening out there got a better understanding of this whole meme coin thing.
I think they do. And if you got more questions or you want to share your own meme coin stories, hit us up in the comments below.
Always love hearing from y'all. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
And remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Well, I think we've explored this meme coin thing pretty thoroughly. Origins, the tech, the risks, the potential, even the future. Wild but interesting. And hopefully y'all out there learned a thing or two.
If you got questions or you want to share your own meme coin experiences, hit us up in the comments.
We love hearing from y'all. Thanks for joining us on Family Money Club.
Keep it real, y'all.
And keep building that financial freedom.
Thank you for listening to Family Money Club.